Etsy shipping setup revolves around three key elements: shipping profiles, labels, and rates. Shipping profiles are customizable templates defining shipping options for your listings, including origin location, shipping methods like standard or expedited via USPS, UPS, etc., processing time, and destination restrictions. Labels are digital or printable tags generated directly from Etsy, integrating with carrier APIs to include tracking numbers and potentially QR codes or eco labels. Rates are the shipping costs passed on to buyers, calculated as flat, weight-based, or distance-based, with Etsy encouraging transparent pricing. By 2025, AI tools help suggest rates based on item details and real-time carrier data. To set up Etsy shipping, first create or edit shipping profiles in the Seller Tools menu, linking carrier accounts for label generation. Specify origin, methods, and destination restrictions for each profile. Next, set competitive rates, considering item weight, dimensions, destination, carrier fees, and add-ons like insurance. Utilize Etsy's rate calculator to simulate costs and factor in potential fuel surcharges. Sellers can use AI-driven tools for rate optimization. Finally, generate and print labels directly through Etsy, ensuring compliance with carrier standards. Remember, effective shipping is crucial for minimizing costs, complying with regulations, and improving customer experience. Eco-friendly options, carbon-neutral labels, and blockchain tracking are now also readily available.